Hi! In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 9 and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Sound Recorder app and click on it. Now select Allow in the pop-up and click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. You can also add a bookmark by clicking on this tag icon on the left and delete it right away by pausing it, choosing delete over here and clicking OK in the pop-up. If you wish to save it though, you need to click on pause icon again, but this time select done on the right. Now if you wish to rename your recording, you need to hold it, select rename over here under delete, name it however you wish to and choose save. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to go back, hold it again and click on this bin icon over here or hold it like that, select delete and confirm your choice in delete recording pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!